Alright, so I'm back. I just finished doing the jackfruit. I added the barbecue sauce. So now I'm gonna plate it onto the bun. Alright, so this is how it looks after it's plated. So just add the barbecue jackfruit onto the bun. Alright, and then I have this coleslaw that I'm gonna add on it. Just a little bit, give it a little crunch. Alright. Now this is the finishing product of how the jackfruit looks after, you see. So I'm getting ready to eat it and see how it tastes for the first time. So it tastes like barbecue pulled pork. It's just jackfruit and it's really good. Thank you for watching the video.